Hi everyone, this is Fred from BrandLinked.AI. So the more connections you have on LinkedIn, the more people you will have that will see your posts. Therefore, this is strategic to try to increase your number of connections over time. And for that, we have built LinkedIn automation features. Very easily, what it is, these are automated invites. So instead of you, for instance, sending 20 invites every day, we have automated this process. And you can create campaigns and you can name this campaign. Let's imagine, for instance, that I want to invite people that are working at Toyota in the UK. I'm just going to name that as a campaign, Toyota UK. I can then click or select that I want to connect with those people and then send them a follow-up message. Or I could just choose just to send them a connection request without follow-up messages. So I select the first one, click next. Then I can select how many invites per day I want to send. Right now, I'm going to choose a balance invite, so 10 messages per day. And from there, I can also select which day of the week I want to do that. So as a default, this is Monday to Friday, but you could change that as much as you want. And the time as a default is at 11 a.m. and I'm going to change that at 9. Now I'm going to click next. Then I could choose to write a message during my connection. And you could say, hi, first name, nice to connect. So, of course, the automation is going to replace. And if this is Joe Blog that we are inviting, this is going to write, hi, Joe Blog, nice to connect. Or hi, Fred Blog, nice to connect, etc., etc. And you could, for instance, write a message. I love the work you do at. And you can insert their company. Let's connect and exchange further. You could write similarly a follow-up message. So people, when they have connected with you, when they have accepted your invite, they will receive this message automatically the following day. Thanks for connecting, Joe Blog. This is nice to meet you, and I'm looking forward to our exchanges. And of course, you can put whatever you want there, depending on your goal, your purpose in doing this LinkedIn automation. You can then click next. And then you will get a quick summary. You will show or see how your message looks, like my first name, let's connect you, the company, etc. You will then start and create your campaign. And right here at the bottom, I can now see my Toyota UK campaign, which is active 5 days a week, 9 a.m. So now if you click on this campaign, the first thing that you will want to do, this is to import the prospect. Who do you want to connect? So you have a search functionality. So as I said, we want to use people in the UK. So I'm going to select that and I'm going to look at the keyword Toyota, and I could go further. I could put Toyota operational excellence for the people working in that field. I don't need to select the industry, but if I wanted to, I could. And I could select how many people I want to import. So let's say that I would like to import 200 people there. I could also have done the search directly on LinkedIn and pasted the link directly on LinkedIn there. But instead we are using this real search directly there. I'm going to do a preview, and just in doing that, now what will happen? This is that I'm going to have a list of people that I can connect with. And yeah, just like that, I have a list of people that are in fact corresponding to those criteria, and I can import them. So I'm just going to click import all. And now if I go into my prospect, in my prospect, have a list of 200 people that I will be able to connect with. You can see at the moment in their status, they are all as new. But once I start inviting them, their status is going to change as requested. So this is when you have requested the invite. Once they have accepted your invite, they will appear as accepted. And if you have set up a follow-up message like I did, once they have received your follow-up message, you will see them as message there. You can also go on the automation here. And potentially, if you wanted to launch all of that manually, you could manage all of that manually from here. And in your activity, you will see all the recent activities that have happened. So again, this is all automated. So the next one is going to appear tomorrow. If you want to launch a new campaign, you want to post this campaign for whatever reason, it's as simple as just clicking on pausing this campaign, and then your automated invites are going to be stopped there.